Igwe, you know you're my good friend, and I've missed you. So I want to warn you to stay away from every of my activities in this village. Because if you put I won't take it lightly with you. Oh yeah, the bloody. Igwe, have a nice day.
Everybody they fear him, including Igwe. All the girls today for trouble, another wahala. One person not go let community.
Can I see you sit down here in my palace and I watch this little rat be a thorn in my flesh? I will not take that. I will rid this boy once and for all.
I'm a girl, I dey para. As I stand here, so I dey vex.
Wetin come make you dey vex now? Now every time you dey vex.
You know, you understand. Calm down.
Okay. Oh yeah, tell me.
My pal, I tell you, my old man no sleep for house. Mom said no fit sleep. Till now we make you talk, the man never show.
Ha! You serious?
Babe.
And the police are still looking for Otondo.
Shut up. They look for who be Otondo. Not pass they look for which Otondo. Where see they walk out freely for this village. Person what I see this morning. See the yarn.
You see him?
Girl, I see am.
You mean him?
I mean am. I see am now. So I go just do the yarn no pattern. Not be the yarn dust now. Hey! You see this matter why they tell you so? Like this, eh? Igwe, even on Okpa, they not feel run am. As it be, na me and you go run this mara. Yes, now. Ogo, eh?
You well? A problem neither the police nor the Igwe can solve. You want you and I to solve it.
Shut up.
What's it happen now? Why they beat me now?
Shut up. I never talk anything now. They speak English. You dey rap. Who you dey rap for? You be Bobby Brown. Till they worry you. You go wait, make I explain. Make you know what I want to talk first before you go begin rap for me.
Oh yeah, they explain because that they fear.
Me or the tea here, come here, man. Tell you what I want to tell you. Shift.
As it be, that's true.
Sure you understand? You understand? Now your teeth complete. Now they go.
I no reason them before.
Move. The canoe where they go Morocco, they leave very soon. On to the next level.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.